Dear students, during this pandemic, we have chosen and taken a decision to give you lesson, to teach you the lesson in and through the online mode. So we basically suggest you to follow the norms and regulations made by the government. So for the clear voice, I just open my mask, but I suggest you to wear your mask and follow the guidelines of the government. Dear students, today we will learn about a lesson so called the little girl. Now, this is a lesson, a story. It's written by a renewable and famous personality, the writer, so called Catherine Mansfield. Now, if we look at or if you Google out the concept, the Catherine Mansfield, you will find the number of glimpses, knowledge filled with in and through the website. But I will basically highlight on the important concepts. The central character of this story is Kezia. Now, Kezia is a little girl and she was very much frighteningful. She was very much afraid of her father. So, whenever Kezia used to make any mistake, Kejia's father used to scold her very much. Except of these two characters, there are also three major character we find in this lesson. That's Kejia's mother, grandmother, and cook. So, Kejia's father, whenever he used to go out for work or office, so he used to give a gentle kiss on the forehead of daughter, so called Kezia. But from the very beginning, we will learn about that Kezia used to get frightened of her father very much, and she used to think that life is better without this person. Kezia used to also admire McDonald's, the neighbor of Kezia. But when Kejia's mother will be admitted in the hospital, and then at that night we'll find that there will be no one except the Kejia's father to stay at home. So Kezia had a problem of nightmare, and Kezia would see that a butcher with a rope and a big knife will come to attack Kezia, and Kezia will get frightened, and Kezia will shout, cry. At that moment, her father will come and say what happened, and then basically we'll find that Kejia's father will take Kezia to his room, and Kejia's father will lie down, sleep, but Kezia will remain awake by keeping the head on his chest, on her father's chest. in a certain time we'll find about that the Kezia will be awake, and when the father gets up and see that Kezia is awake, he will ask Kezia, what happened? Again you dreamt or what? Then Kezia will say, no, not you are only big, but your heart is also so big. Stay connected, dear students. I'll show some of the important points on the board and it will be more clear. I suggest you read the book. It's a very simple story, easy story, and interesting story. Read your book, follow the lesson, word meaning, summary of the chapter, exercises. Everything will be easy for you to learn.